four corners of India. It all started as a dream to be at the very end of our beautiful country. And I started my journey on August 15th, 2021. I reached my first corner of India on 18th August 2021, southernmost point of India, Kanyakumari beach. I started my travel along the borderline of India, which has many beautiful beaches, temples, and a lot more to explore. Though I don't believe in luck, but it sure did help me out in several times. The states were not open for tourists. Arunachal Pradesh is a fine example. After three repeated failed attempts to enter the state, a policeman heard my story and told me to reach Namsai checkpost in the next 2 hours, which is 120 kilometers far, which I did, and he had made arrangements for me to enter the state. Luck does come in hand for those who do not give up. And so I finally reached Kibutu, the easternmost point of India. Three of my friends, Muzu, Raj, and Rohan, joined me for my third corner, Ladakh. We had a blast riding on those mountain roads of Uttarakhand, Himachal, and Ladakh. These are the same guys who told me to drop the plan at the last moment because of COVID and landslides. And here they are with me in Ladakh. Finally reached Tang village, the northernmost point of India. Oh. We were the only bikers to ride the bike in Zozila Pass during peak winter, and we are proud of it. Bye bye. Then came the moment I had to depart and continue my journey towards my fourth corner. Now, altogether, it was a different feeling. I am traveling solo again and started to make even more friends along my journey. Beauty of our ancient architecture are recognized worldwide. The sands of Kutch, I mean the real run of Kutch of Gujarat. It was beautiful. This is a new road under construction which connects Dholavira to Kavda, which saves about 2 hours in travel. I I reached my fourth corner on 19 November, the westernmost point of India, Koteshwar. But my journey didn't end here. I still had to see the world's tallest statue and started riding towards my first corner, which is Kanyakumari.
Here, so this is one of the main rocks, and you can go down. Oh, it's cold.
This is a must visit place in Kerala right now.
I'm finally here, boys. I'm finally here.
Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.